roads, tiny roads. Tiny. The last thing we did was actually buy the second house right next door to our house so we could put them together and make one big house. This is it.
Okay, this is the stairway of casa number 2. There's not a lot to see. It's basically a small one-bedroom apartment. The bathroom's over here. Through there, they were using their garage as a converted kitchen. And we'll be just demoing it all and making 2 master suites, one on top of the other. So, this is casa number 2.
Due, as they say here in Italia. It's beautiful, we're lucky.
So right here we busted through this wall, and by wall I mean 2.5 feet of stone. And here will be our 2 master suites stacked on top of each other, and then the main house over here, and hopefully staircase down the middle.
I rented a van, a big one. Tiny roads. Traffic jam.